All right, guys, I promised you a video when these cars were going off to auction individually. So right now, the 2008 Hyundai Tiburon is on its way out. Tow truck's here. It's headed to IAA right now. I got a stock number in the house that I'm going to give you. So if you want to bid on this, it'll be at auction very, very soon. In fact, by the time you see this video, it will be up at the auction. So stay tuned for the stock number coming here in just a minute. This is the 2008 Tiburon that we got from IAA, and she's on her way back to Insurance Auto Auctions right now. So forgive the poor video quality here, but the stock number for you guys is 301-78196. That's 301-78196. So you don't have to remember that. There's a link down below. You can just click on that. It'll take you straight to the listing. There is a small reserve on it, guys. It's not nearly what the car is worth. Remember, Carfax, this is a one owner, clean title, not a salvage, not a rebuilt. Timing belt was done, plugs done. It's been well serviced at the dealership. You can run your own Carfax report, obviously. Use my link down below. It's like $4.99. You can get your Carfax report and you can verify all this information for yourself and go over to IAA and bid accordingly. I hope one of you wins this car. Feel free to email me if you do, autoauctionrebuilds@gmail.com. If you would like to be shouted out in the video after you win the car, definitely hit me up and I'll be happy to do that for you. Bid high, bid often, please. I really need the money. I got another car I need to pick up for the channel, so help me out, man. Help me out, buy the car so I can pick up the next project for the channel.